Hey there, it's Simon. If your LG dishwasher is not drying properly, leaving your dishes wet, you've come to the right place. Today we will walk through some common issues that might be causing this problem, such as the heater circulation pump, the vent fan motor, or the rinse agent dispenser. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. With a little guidance, you can troubleshoot and fix this issue yourself. So let's get those dishes dry and your dishwasher running like new. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. The circulation pump has a dual purpose. It recycles water inside the dishwasher and heats it up while doing that. The pump is mounted underneath the sump. Open the door and remove 2 Phillips screws from the mounting brackets at the top of the dishwasher. Pull the dishwasher out and turn it to the left to expose the right side. Using the flat blade screwdriver, undo a pair of clips and pry the PCB control out. Turn it over and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove a single screw and take off the metal cover. Get your multimeter set to resistance horseshoe sign. We are testing the heater. Locate the black RL3 and blue RL2 relays on the PCB. Insert probes in brown and blue wires. The normal resistance should be around 12 ohms. If you are not getting proper resistance, the heater is bad and the circulation pump must be replaced. Next, we will check the PCB volts output. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Set your meter to volts AC, V with a wavy line. Plug the dishwasher in and press power, auto, and start buttons at the same time to initiate the self-test mode. All of the LEDs illuminate and we can proceed with the test. Press the start button 7 times. The heater should energize and reading on the meter should be around 100 volts AC. If you have proper voltage, replace the circulation pump assembly. No voltage, replace the PCB. The vent fan motor is located inside the door. It's turned on by PCB during the drying cycle and used to assist in drying dishes. Make sure the dishwasher is unplugged. To test the vent motor, we need to locate the NA4 plug and the black relay RL3 at the PCB. Insert 1 meter probe in the white pin at the relay and another one into the yellow pin at the NA4 plug. Set your meter to volts AC, V with a wavy line. Plug the dishwasher in and press power, auto, and start buttons at the same time to initiate the self-test mode. All of the LEDs illuminate and we can proceed with the test. Press the start button 2 times. The fan motor should kick on and the meter should display around 120 volts AC. If you don't hear the motor blowing and there is no proper voltage on your multimeter, replace the PCB. If the voltage is present but the motor is a no-blow, you've got a shady vent fan motor. The rinse agent dispenser is a part of the detergent dispenser assembly. It operates by the PCB simultaneously with the detergent dispenser. To test it, we need to fill up the rinse cup and then we need to run a quick self-test. Locate the power, auto, and start buttons. Press them simultaneously. All LEDs should come on, indicating initiation of the test mode. With the dishwasher door closed, press the start button once. Open the door and check if you can see the rinse agent is running down. If nothing happens, you probably want to make sure what part is to blame. Unplug the dishwasher and get your multimeter set to resistance, horseshoe-like sign. Locate the WH6 plug and insert the probes in pins 3 and 4, black and red connectors. If you read about 16 ohms, the solenoid coil is good and you should check the PCB. If not, replace the dispenser. Next, set the meter to volts DC, letter V with a double line. Keep the probes in the same slots. Close the dispenser door and close the dishwasher door. Plug the dishwasher in. Next, we are going to initiate the self-test mode again. Press power auto start buttons. All LEDs should light up. Press start once. The dispenser door should open and the meter should read about 12 volts DC. If the meter reads proper voltage but the dispenser door stays closed, replace the detergent dispenser assembly. If there's no voltage, replace the PCB. As a result of our troubleshooting, we were able to locate the problem. It's a faulty vent fan motor. So let's go to work and put a new one in. Unplug the dishwasher, open the door, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 long screws on the top and then 6 on the sides and separate the outer and the inner doors. Don't run away with the other door yet. There is still a plug in the upper left corner that needs to be disconnected. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 1 screw at the bottom right of the duct out and pull the duct off. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the plugs. Then open the door and using a small putty knife, pry off the vent grill. Remove the 3 Phillips screws that hold the vent. Remove the vent fan motor assembly. Remove the gasket from the old assembly. Here's the old vent fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Next, we're going to install the gasket onto this vent fan motor. We got 2 tabs here on the gasket. It goes into this 2 cutouts here. Turn it over and I'm going to place it in. Connect the motor housing with the vent housing. Install the assembly in. Open the door and secure the housing with 3 Phillips screws. Install the vent grill. Make sure it's locked. Close the door and secure the vent at the bottom with another Phillips screw. Connect 2 plugs. Bring the outer door and connect the plug. Install the door, match the holes and secure it with the 10 Phillips screws. The short ones on the sides and the long ones on the top. Install the dishwasher under the counter and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws to the countertop. Turn the water on and plug the dishwasher in. And now you may call your friends and tell them how good you are. Or maybe you shouldn't after all. They may ask you to fix their appliances. If you have pinpointed that faulty part behind your LG dishwasher drying issue, jot down your model number and visit appliancepartspros.com to order the replacement. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you won't have to wait long to get your dishwasher back in a tip-top shape. Once your new part arrives, our easy-to-follow installation guides will be right here to assist you. We would love to hear how your repair went or any tips you want to share. So drop a comment below and join the community. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repair.